Hey guys, this is my second video and I will be making a paper that makes bomb sounds, and this sound is sometimes is loud, so you don't want to play it out loud. First, you just need an ordinary paper. You just fold it and fold it. You need to give some little unwrapped paper. Next, you just need to fold it like this, and then you wait a second, you just need to push this. So you push it, it will be like this. Then if you play with it, and then if you play with it, sorry, wait a second, I just need to fix it. It's destroyed. Okay, it's better. Look at the details. Sorry, it got destroyed again. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to play it on the other side. You have to play it on this side, not this side. Silly me. If you play it, see, it makes sounds, but it's just a little bomb sound. And sorry, I just folded again. I didn't show you how to fix it, but it's okay. I'll destroy it again. Then if you get destroyed, you just have to open it, fold it again, and then you try it again. Have fun.